The Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher combines the best of aesthetics and filtration performance. We love the durable BPA-free construction with the stylish wooden handle. The filter is independently NSF 42 certified for the reduction of chlorine, fluoride, taste, and odor. The filter is able to purify up to 200 gallons of water before replacement. Using an activated carbon filter, the Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher has a flow rate of 0.5 gallons per minute, which means it fills in only 1 minute. And you don't have to be filling the water pitcher frequently with a large 10-cup capacity. However, when it's time to refill, it's very easy as you don't need to remove the lid. The lid of the Waterdrop Chubby water filter pitcher has a convenient LED indicator to monitor filtration life. If the light stays blue, your filter is good. However, if the light flashes red, it soon needs to be replaced. If it stays red, it's time to replace now. Waterdrop designed the Chubby water filter pitcher to neatly tuck into your fridge door. Additionally, the Waterdrop comes with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee return policy. Here are the pros: BPA-free material construction, long 200-gallon filter life, LED filter replacement indicator. There's only one con: filter replacements can get a little bit expensive. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.